I went for a physical at my family doctor, and he noticed a heart murmur and wanted me to get it checked out. I went to a cardiologist, was followed for 2 years, and everything was fine. My third year I went back, and they said my heart had enlarged, but I had no symptoms. They realized the mitral valve was not opening up, and he said I could have just collapsed. Hi, my name is Linda Colonno, and I was a patient at St. Peter's Hospital. They said, you have to see a surgeon. I'm going, oh boy. So went right to the surgeon, and it wasn't even a question of when. He said, you got to do this right away. You can't wait. So we did it, like within a week or so. St. Peter's was wonderful. I've lived in Albany all my life, and they've got a great reputation. I had a mastectomy 10 years ago. This was really a lot harder, I thought, to get through this because there was no symptoms. I thought it was fine. Dr. Saifi was just absolutely wonderful. The care was like nothing I've ever seen. I felt like I was at a spa. It was really fabulous. The nurses that I had, they were friendly and kind, and we ended up bringing pastries and everything back. Dr. Saifi came in to see me 3 times one day. I mean, it was like I've never seen anything like it. Usually they come in and they're gone. He would just stop back and just check on them. It was like, my God, why am I getting this treatment? After the surgery, I realized I was not taking a deep breath. Because I worked out at the gym my whole life. And when I realized I really never took a real deep breath till after I had the surgery. Go for your checkup every year because you just never know what the results are gonna bring, because I had no clue that I was gonna end up having open heart surgery.